In the silence of the dawn, your glory shone, heaven's majesty revealed. Our hearts are healed. You the Alpha and Omega, King forever, King of kings, Lord of lords, mighty God, our hearts adore. King of kings, Prince of peace, in your name our fears release. King of kings, King of kings, Jesus reigns, our King of kings. On the cross you gave your life, and its strife, rising from the empty grave. Our souls you saved, crowned with honor, robed in light, eternal might. King of kings, Lord of lords, mighty God, our hearts adore. King of kings, Prince of peace, in your name our fears release. King of kings, King of kings, Jesus reigns, our King of kings, King of kings.